On today's Health Alerts, a major development in sun protection for the first time in more than 20 years. The FDA approving a new sunscreen ingredient for use in the U.S. Here with details is our Chief Health Editor, Dr. Parthanandi. And Doc, good to see you. Tell us about this new sunscreen ingredient and why this was approved.
I'm pretty excited about it, Simon. So the new ingredient is called bemotrizonal, or BEMT for short. It's been used in Europe and other countries for decades. And now what makes BEMT different is that it's a chemical filter and it's broad spectrum. Right now, Simon, no currently approved U.S. chemical filter does that on its own. So manufacturers typically combine several filters to get this broad spectrum protection. But with BEMT, it alone provides strong protection against both UVA and UVB. And so UVB rays are the ones that cause sunburns. Now in UVA, they can penetrate deeper into the skin and contribute to premature aging and skin cancer. So another advantage of BEMT is that it's highly photostable. In simple terms, what that means is that it doesn't break down as easily in the sun as some older sunscreen ingredients. And so it holds up better and protection could last longer. It does not also leave a white kind of cast on the skin, which mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide, as we know, and titanium dioxide can do. In addition, it's not easily absorbed in the body. Super important. While it's not clear if absorption causes harm, experts believe that it's better to err on the side of caution, right, and safety if the ingredient stays mostly on the skin surface.
Doc, now what ages was this approved for, and when can consumers actually expect to see the product on shelves?
So Simon, the FDA approved BEMT for adults and kids as young as 6 months of age. And that's because it has shown very low potential for any skin irritation. And as for when we can expect to see products with BEMT, a Dutch manufacturer will have exclusive rights to use it first. The product will be sold under the brand name Parsol Shield and is expected to be available later this year, so not that long. But after about 18 months, other sunscreen companies will be able to use this ingredient too, giving consumers like us more options. Good news is that this approval gives us Americans access to a newer sunscreen ingredient that has a long track record of safety around the world. Until new products come, right, until they're widely available, I would still stick with a broad spectrum sunscreen that at least SPF 30, if not more, reapplied every 2 hours when you're out in the sun. And remember that sunscreen works best when combined with shade and protective clothing. Especially in weather like this, you got to stay protected. Skin cancer is a killer.
Yeah, we've seen so much sunshine here recently. Very important advice. Doc, thank you very much for sharing that with us. And if you have a health question for the doctor, email him, Dr. Nandi at askdrnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or on X. Hallie?